Hi, I'm Sandy Schroeck, here with today's quick tip. Do you struggle with putting sunflowers into arrangements? Do they end up kind of looking like eyeballs looking right back at you, or come at you like stop signs? So I want to embrace the sunflower, but maybe not from the front. So thinking about putting this into a design where it would invite you into a design versus stop your eye in a design. When you have a couple sunflowers, you want to look at the gradation of them. Take a look at which one might be smaller or larger, and you want to use the larger one on the bottom. Today I'm designing in foam. We created this design in our class this week in the basic class. And so I just want to discuss how we did this. So I'm using a container here. I've got midnight foam in here, but I have it recessed, so I don't have a lot of area to hide. Then I'm going to come in and put those sunflowers in first and think about where it's going to land in respect to the container. So as I come in and take a look, I'm going to hold it in that place and then look at where I would cut this to make sure that sunflower goes down into that target area of 1 inch above the base of the container. And so then I'll come in and go ahead and put that insertion in so it lands right in the focal area. And so that will come in, and then rather than coming here and inserting this, let me just cut this off, and inserting up here, what I'm going to do is bring it so that they kind of face each other and they invite you into the design. So then we can put other florals right through the center, as you can see we've done here, but not thinking about facing it toward you, but inviting people into the design and be able to see through that sunflower and embrace the whole composition. I'm Sandy Schroeck for LBR Educates, and I hope you enjoyed this little quick tip and create some fabulous florals with it.